In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Conversations inbox, also known as the shared inbox. This is a fantastic tool to help your team manage communications in a streamlined and organized way. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your current setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you get the most out of your HubSpot experience. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your HubSpot trial guide. This area provides a myriad of resources to get you successfully acclimated with the HubSpot tools, and it's the perfect starting point for setting up your conversations inbox. Once you're there, look towards the upper part of your interface and click on Settings. This will take you to a central hub where you can tweak various aspects of your HubSpot account to suit your business needs. Next, we proceed by selecting Inbox and Help Desk from the Settings menu. This is where the magic happens. This section is crucial because it allows you to configure your inbox preferences and understand how you can best organize incoming messages to improve communication within your team. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be your one-stop place for managing all customer communication effectively. After accessing the Inbox and Help Desk section, the next step is clicking on Inboxes. By doing this, you are now focusing your setup efforts specifically on the conversation management feature of HubSpot. Think of this as setting up a virtual office where all conversations are routed to the right team members without hassle. Having a shared inbox ensures that you never miss a customer query, which is critical for maintaining customer satisfaction and fostering long-term business relationships. Following this, you'll need to click on Connect a Channel. This option is pivotal as it dictates where your conversations will be coming from, such as email, chat, or social channels. Connecting a channel integrates diverse communication streams, merging them into a single, manageable flow. This guarantees you maintain oversight over every customer touchpoint, ensuring no message is lost in transit. Finally, let's focus on connecting chat as one of your channels. Clicking on Chat allows you to set up live messaging on your website, directly linking customer queries to your team in real time. This feature is particularly advantageous for businesses looking to provide quick, personalized responses to customer inquiries, enhancing customer experience and satisfaction. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your HubSpot Conversations inbox. By following these steps, you've created a robust infrastructure for managing communications. This setup not only improves team efficiency, but also elevates customer interaction quality. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create seamless communication that maps to your business strategy and supports your long-term objectives. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy HubSpotting.